guys, we're going to do some time today, and I think we might have only ever talked about this one time at school. So make sure you have your brain ready. You all know what time this is. This is 3 o'clock, and we write 3:00, okay? 3 o'clock. But if we move the hour hand, the minute hand stays at the 12. Now what time is it? 7 o'clock. So we write 7:00. And leave the minute hand there. What time is it now? 10 o'clock. So we write 10:00. Now we're going to talk about something new. If this is 10 o'clock, we're going to move the minute hand. And when we move the minute hand, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right, see how the hour hand is between the 10 and the 11 now? So now the time is 10 because it's not to the 11 yet. 10:30 because we just counted by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 10:30. We write the hour hand first, then the colon, then 30. Let's try this one. Okay, you know that is 1 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing to the 1, and when the long hand, the minute hand is on the 12, it's always o'clock. Now let's try moving the minute hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. See how the hour hand moved by itself, but it's not to the 2 yet. So it's still 1, and we just counted by fives. 30. 1:30. All right, let me just see if I can figure out here. Okay, here's the next time. Now, where's the hour hand? It's right there between the 3 and the 4. It's not to the 4 yet, so we still have to say 3. 3:00. Then look where the minute hand is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's 3:30. Okay, let's try another one. We do the hour hand first. The hour hand is between the 8 and the 9, but it's not to the 9 yet, so it's 8. 8:00. Oh, do you know what that one is? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yes, it's 8:30. Okay, we're going to do one more. Where's the hour hand? It's between the 11 and the 12, but it's not to the 12 yet, so we have to say it's 11. And I left the minute hand right there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 11:30. Okay, now grab your whiteboard because we're going to try some and see if you can get them. All right, look at this first one. It's not to the 6. It's between the 5 and the 6. So we have to say 5:30. So you write 5:30. 30, which is 3, 0. Try the next one. Okay, look, the hour hand is between the 3 and the 4. It's not to the 4 yet, so it has to be 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 3, 30. Okay, go to the next one. The hour hand is between the 1 and the 2. It's not to the 2 yet. So we have to say it's 1:30. So you write 1:30. And remember 30 is 3, 0. Okay, go to this one. Look at this one. It's between the 11 and the 12. So we have to say 11. So write 11, then a colon. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 11:30. You know what? If you know how to tell time with the O clock and with the 30s, your first grade teachers are going to be oh so impressed. Okay, let's try this one. It's between the 4 and the 5. It's not to the 5 yet. So what time are you going to write? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Did you write 4:30? If you did, clap 3 times. Okay, try the next one. The hour hand is between the 7 and the 8. It's not to the 8 yet. Write down the time. Did you write 7:30? If you did, kiss your brain. Here's the next one. The hour hand is between the 12 and the 1. It's not to the 1 yet. Write down the time. Did you write 12:30? If you did, you got it right. And the last one, the hour hand is between the 10 and the 11. Don't write the 11. It's not to the 11 yet. Did you write 10:30? If you did, that's awesome. We'll do some more times next week. Okay, we're going to do our paper now. If you want to do it with me, you can. If you don't, bye-bye, go do it yourself. Okay, this is all about vertices. Do you remember what vertices are? Vertices are corners. So you can either use your pencil or crayon. I'm going to grab a crayon. How many vertices does this sphere have? 0. Mrs. Kessler, a sphere doesn't have any vertices. What are you thinking, crazy lady? All right. This is a pyramid, a triangular pyramid. How many vertices does a triangular pyramid have? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vertices, 4 corners. Ooh, who knows what that thing is? Harper, what is that? You're right, girl. It's a cylinder. How many vertices does a cylinder have? Big fat 0. Okay, Abby, what's this thing? Right here. You got it. It's a cube. Let's count how many vertices we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Oh yeah. Anybody have any ice cream? So we can have an ice cream cone. How many vertices does this cone have? Did you say 1? Yep, there's a vertice right there. If you turn it the other way, you don't want the ice cream to fall out. Okay, and this is a prism. So, how many vertices does this prism have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 vertices. Okay, before we end our math, we need to go back to the number grid and you find the 2 numbers that are mixed up. Which 2 numbers are switched? You count until you find the 2 numbers that are switched. Did you find them? If you didn't find the 2 numbers that are switched, then put me on pause. And I hope to see you on Zoom Bingo today. You can Zoom Bingo with us at 9:30 or 2 o'clock. Bye-bye, friends.